Practical number 2, to study and verify the truth table of universal logic gates. In the practical number 2, we can see the NAND and NOR universal gate can be implemented using any Boolean expression, which are economically and easier to use in all IC digital logical families. So, what is your NAND gate and NOR gate? NOR and NAND gates have the property that they individually can be used to hardware implement a logic circuit corresponding to any Boolean expression. So that is, it is possible to use either only NAND gates or only NOR gate to implement any Boolean expression. NAND gates are universal gate. So we can see that the basic gates are AND or NOT can be realized from it. The Boolean equation and logical diagrams are as follows. So here we can see that the NAND and NOR logical. So this is the diagram for the NAND gate. Truth table for NAND gate is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. That means y is equals to a into b. For NAND gate 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 and 1 1 is your 0. There are the two input a and b. Then we have to add a NAND gate and with the LED will be displayed. So there are 14 pins are there. V1H minimum 3.5 voltage, V0H 4.5 voltage, VIL 1.5 volt, VOL that is maximum 0.5 volt. The maximum ITH is 1, IL maximum is 1, IOH maximum is 0.4 and the IOL maximum is 0.4 for IC 7400. The pin ground is number 7 and for the VCC is a pin number 40. Next is your NOR gate. For the NOR gate we have a 2 input and you can see that what are the circuit diagram and logical diagram. In the truth table we can see the AB value, that is a 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So y is equals to a plus b bar. So 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 and 1 1 is your 0. So we will that can be seen in a theoretical lectures also. So next is what are the resources. You know that what are the resources required for that. So what are the procedure? Make the connection as per the circuit diagram and give supply voltage to relevant pin. Second, connect the input from source to logic gate at per logical level. Observe the output of LED and write down in the truth table. Verify the truth table and repeat the process until the other universal logical gate cannot be complete. So you can see that what are the quantity are required, which type of IC are required. You can see here the resources used. So we required a breadboard, digital power supply, IC, LED and connecting wire. We required 7400 and 7408 IC. So in the observation and calculation, if the input 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 for 7400 NAND 0 0, then the LED will be on, it will be displayed as on. For 0 1 on, for 1 0 on and 1 1 for off. For 7402 NOR 0 0 is on and rest of the 3 is off. So that means for on the voltage is 1 and for off the voltage is 0. Okay, so 5 volt. What are the truth table? A truth table is a tabular representation of all the combination of value for input and their corresponding output. So we can consider the basic gate NOR and you can see in a previous practical. It is a mathematical table that shows all the possible scenarios that are considered. Okay, truth table are usually used for logic problem as in Boolean expression algebra and electronic circuit. All variations of the input or argument are listed to left while the output usually placed in the last column to the object. You can see that the first is you display the input A and B and next is your output Y. First is your NOT gate. You can see the representation for the NOT gate. Second is your AND gate. Third is your OR gate. Then what are the diagrams and circuit diagram required for that? There are total 7 NOR gates in IC 7402. Okay, so you can see here for AND OR combination, NAND combination y is equals to AB plus CD. You can draw the circuit diagram. You can see the circuit diagram. You have to input. Okay. According to the De Morgan's law, you can see that there is a circuit diagram. In SOAP method, after applying the equation, the final circuit contains AND gate followed by OR gate. So these are the practical number 2. In the practical number, you only study the NOR and NAND gate.